Okay, this is a review of Aaron's Quality Cleaners injection repair work. Dustin Pass sent these to me. I did a video earlier, not sure if it's come through yet, but it was teaching you how to do the injector swap, where we're sending you the prepaid postage envelope. All you got to do is drop your bad ones in there and send them to me. I'll fix them. Here's an example: 2, 4, 6, 7. I was predicting I'd get at least 5 to work. I got 6 to work. This one here in the back is the only one I couldn't get to work. And the only reason is because it's an adjustable, and for some reason Aaron had removed the adjuster on it, and so I didn't even mess with it. But it's also got a big hole on the output side, which is the thing that kills these things inevitably. I don't know if you can see that hole in there or not, but I use this little poker tool as my ultimate guide. If it goes through where I can see any part of the tip coming through, it's definitely not going to draw at all. Very few of them fail. They'll usually end up somewhere in here. If I ever see that tip, or if you get one of these little tools and see the tip coming through, you might as well toss it. It's no good. Okay, I saved the parts that we're not going to use. I gave him 6 new draw tubes. He got 6 quick change adapters. He got the plastic washer, and he got stainless nozzle bushings on all of them. This one here is the only one that didn't draw very good. I marked slow, and sure enough, if we take it apart and look at it, this quick change adapter serves 2 purposes. It holds that thick plastic washer in. I'm going to go ahead and pull the nozzle bushing out and show you how big that hole is. This is a quick way to get the nozzle bushing out. It works on some of them if they're going to cooperate. So there's the nozzle bushing. Stainless, see? They're all getting stainless. That's all you need to give you a long life. But I don't know if you can see that hole in there or not, but it's pretty big too. It passes the poke test, but that's a really crude test. It's not coming through, right? Like, how about this? This is the little Lincoln wire cleaning tool kit, whatever you call these things. If you look at these, there's like kind of 4 big ones on the end. Alright, a new injector is going to let you poke through maybe the 3rd one, but not these last 2. A lot of them I've seen, they stop. You can't poke any more than the 4th largest one through. For example, here's a brand new Dema, never been used. Okay, same injector that all these are copies of. Okay, if we take this 4th one, 2, 4, and here's the 4th one. It shouldn't go through, right? Well, yeah, it will. The 4th one will go through. Okay, see it? 3rd one go through. This is the 3rd from the biggest. Will it go through? Yeah, but I'm feeling resistance. Okay, still going through though. So a good injector, a brand new injector, will pass that 3rd one. Will it pass the 2nd one? No. Won't go through. Look at this one here. This is the one that I was saying measured slow. Okay, we'll do it again here. Well, let's see. There's the third from the largest. Yeah, goes through. So it shouldn't pass these 2. And it does with ease, see? And even the largest one with ease, see? No problem. Okay, what that means is there's no closed system. This is a closed body in here that needs to be sealed off when it's being used. On the back end with the handle assembly, and on the front end with the spray gun and the supply hose closed. If this is a big open hole, it's not going to create the Venturi effect inside, and if it's going to draw at all, it'll draw slowly, which is what this one did. So he'll probably call me and say this one didn't draw, because unless everything is optimum, it's not going to draw very well. But he might get another year or two out of it. All these others passed. They would not have passed these last two, which are kind of the killer deal. They probably would have passed the third one. Okay, so 6 out of 7, what is that, 85% or something? And this one, if it wasn't like sent to me damaged, it probably would have worked. This adjustable worked fine. I had to close it down to get it to draw as strong as these others, but it still draws just as good as the others. So now they're all set to go. This is the idea. You take these and well, let's see, this one, he only sent me one white cap for the jug. And here's something else I wanted to show you guys. Be sure you see, none of these others have caps, so he sent the injectors to me without the cap. He wants to get them back and put his cap on there, right? And when he does, he needs to make sure this is good and tight. Put some pliers on there and get it pretty tight, because unless you get a good tight seal around that ball and O-ring in there, it's gonna not, it'll leak and it'll draw. It won't draw. So that one's ready. He's got to do the same thing to all these others. They're all going to work now. They've all got the stainless nozzle bushing. I think his repair bill is going to be like $15, because he's getting a stainless nozzle and a draw tube and a quick change adapter and a washer on all of these. That's what they all need. So if you guys want to start doing your own repairs, I'm thinking I might even start giving you guys a rebuild kit based on what you really need, not this goofy liner stuff. That has nothing to do with whether it's going to draw or not. Yeah, it might keep you from getting your pants a little wet. Big deal. You want the thing to work though? Draw tube, stainless nozzle bushing. Those are the two key things. Okay. Aaron's all set. Here's his tally: 6 nozzle bushings, 2 washers. He had 4 that, remember, this guy had the 4 brass washers, so they're going to be fine forever. 6 quick change adapters, 6 draw tubes. Aaron's ready to go. These should all be backups in each of his toolboxes or wherever he keeps his ready to go units, so that when he's out in the field and one's not working, he should be able to grab one of these and go. Okay, go Aaron. Thanks for watching, guys.